Electric chainsaws, equipped with a charged battery, a sharp chain, and a bit of bar oil, are ready to get to work without the hassle of traditional gas-powered models. You don't have to worry about flooding them, feeding them old gas, or swapping out spark plugs. Additionally, they start easily and run much more quietly than gas chainsaws. Thanks to advancements in lithium-ion battery technology, modern electric chainsaws are more powerful and longer-lasting than those from just a few years ago. If you need a chainsaw for light to moderate cutting tasks around the house, on the trail, or at a campsite, a battery-powered chainsaw is an excellent choice. These tools are ideal for cutting firewood, clearing trails, felling small trees, and even light timber stand improvement. To help you choose the best electric chainsaw, we have curated a list of the best options currently available on the market. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Ryobi 40V HP. The Ryobi 40V HP is chainsaw features a 14-inch bar, operates at 40 volts, and has a battery capacity of 4 amp-hours. The saw weighs 11 pounds and 10 ounces, and it is priced at $229. It is manufactured in Vietnam. One of the major advantages of the Ryobi 40V HP is its affordability. Additionally, it comes with a generous 5-year limited warranty on the saw and a 3-year warranty on the battery, providing peace of mind to users. However, the chainsaw does have some downsides. It features plastic bumper spikes, which are less durable than metal ones. Moreover, it lacks a chain brake, a safety feature that stops the chain quickly in case of kickback. Instead, it has a handguard, and the chain starts running as soon as you press the safety and squeeze the trigger, which might not be ideal for experienced chainsaw users. Despite these drawbacks, the Ryobi 40V HP is a very affordable chainsaw and includes a traditional, easy-to-use chain tensioning system. A handy wrench holder is integrated into the handle for added convenience. For those already using Ryobi products, the saw can be purchased for just $189 if the battery is already owned. Number 4. Worx Nitro 40V Power Share. The Worx Nitro 40V Power Share is one of the best electric chainsaws available. It features a 16-inch bar, operates at 40 volts, and has a battery capacity of 4 amp-hours. This high-powered chainsaw is designed for productivity, capable of trimming trees and slicing through thick hardwoods. It rivals gas alternatives without the extra maintenance and expensive fuel. The cordless chainsaw uses brushless motor technology, allowing it to run 50% longer, produce 25% more power, and have a 10 times longer life than brushed motors. It operates on PowerShare batteries, which are compatible with over 140 power tools, outdoor equipment, and lifestyle products from the Worx PowerShare platform. The chainsaw maintains a rapid cutting speed of 59 feet per second, twice as fast as the previous model, ensuring it doesn't bog down on difficult cuts. With PowerShare Pro batteries, it can make up to 150 cuts on a single charge, maintaining cool temperatures, resisting damage, and optimizing power control to extend runtime. Automatic lubrication keeps the chain consistently oiled, reducing maintenance and extending the life of the bar and chain. Adjusting and replacing the chain is tool-free. Simply rotate the knob clockwise to set the proper chain tension and counterclockwise to replace it, saving time and effort. One of the main advantages of the Worx Nitro 40V Power Share is its affordability and speed. However, it does have some drawbacks. The saw tends to get bogged down with sawdust, requiring repeated banging of the housing on the log to clear the blockage. Despite these issues, the Worx Nitro performs well for practical uses, such as clearing trails and felling small trees. It handles these tasks efficiently. Number 3. Husqvarna Power Axe 350i. The Husqvarna Power Axe 350i is one of the best electric chainsaws for large-sized jobs. This chainsaw features an 18-inch bar, operates at 42 volts, and has a battery capacity of 7.5 amp-hours. The saw weighs 13 pounds and 15 ounces, and it is priced at $450. It is manufactured in China. The Husqvarna Power Axe 350i boasts a fast cutting speed and solid battery life, making it a standout performer in the full-sized electric chainsaw category. One of the most impressive features of this saw is its ability to maintain full power until the battery is completely depleted. Unlike other saws that begin to stall or fail to make it through a cut when the battery is low, the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i operates at full capacity until it runs out of power. The chainsaw includes a convenient on-off feature on the handle, which indicates if the saw is turned on and if the chain brake is engaged. With its performance and ease of use, the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i is likely the most convenient electric chainsaw choice for most users. However, the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i does have a minor drawback. The chain tensioning system occasionally jammed up with sawdust and debris, requiring the plastic cap to be unscrewed, the tensioner cleared of debris, and then reassembled. While this is a relatively small inconvenience, it highlights a preference for traditional tensioning systems that require a scrunch. Number 2. Stihl MSA 220CB. The Stihl MSA 220CB stands out as one of the best mid-size electric chainsaws on the market. This chainsaw is equipped with a 14-inch bar, operates at 36 volts, and has a battery capacity of 2.6 amp-hours. It cuts through a 12-inch diameter log and completes 16 cuts before the battery recharging. Weighing 12 pounds and 3 ounces, the Stihl MSA 220CB is priced between $410 and $420, and it is manufactured in Austria. The Stihl MSA 220CB is a handy and powerful tool, well-suited for light-duty tasks at home or around camp. It can efficiently handle a weekend's worth of firewood cutting or clean up smaller fallen trees without issue. However, it is not designed for more demanding jobs that larger chainsaws can tackle. The saw also exhibits higher build quality compared to other chainsaws in its weight class, with tighter and more seamless piece fittings. Notably, this chainsaw is made in Austria, unlike many competitors manufactured in China. The chain tensioning system of the Stihl MSA 220CB occasionally got gummed up, but not excessively so. The only significant drawback is its limited versatility. It is not quite big enough for heavy-duty tasks, but also not small enough to be highly portable. The chainsaw is also available with a 16-inch bar, which might offer more versatility. Despite this, it remains a mid-sized chainsaw not ideally suited for the heaviest jobs, but perfect for moderate use. Number 1. Echo DCS 2500T. The Echo DCS 2500T is the best small-size electric chainsaw available. Equipped with a 12-inch bar and operating at 50.4 volts with a battery capacity of 2.5 amp-hours, this chainsaw cuts through a 6-inch diameter log in just 5.7 seconds and can make up to 65 cuts per charge. Weighing in at 7 pounds and 7 ounces, the Echo DCS 2500T is priced at $570 and is manufactured in Japan. The Echo DCS 2500T is incredibly handy and powerful for its size. It combines more than 50 volts of power with a 12-inch bar, making it more powerful than some larger chainsaws. It is also lightweight and designed with a top handle, allowing it to be operated with one hand. Its cutting speed and battery life are impressive, effortlessly slicing through a 6-inch diameter log. It's important to note that this chainsaw is designed for professional arborists who need to scale trees, cut limbs, or fell trees in hazardous situations. Top-handle saws, like the Echo DCS 2500T, are more challenging to control and are intended for use at height, not for sawing logs on the ground. However, non-professionals might still find this saw appealing for its capabilities that exceed those of typical medium-sized gas-powered saws. This chainsaw features typical components found in gas-powered saws, including a handguard/chain brake, bumper spike, and a traditional chain tensioning system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendation.